हांव संतोष वेरेकर, who is working as manager of this academy, South Goa Table Tennis Council, who is running it. ही साउथ गोवा टेबल टेनिस कावन्सील म्हणल्यार गोवा टेबल टेनिस एसोसिएशनाची आतां 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसा, एक नॉर्थ गोवा, एक साउथ गोवा. ही आतां साउथ गोवा आमी मल्टीपर्पज स्टेडियम फातोर्डा हांचे कडेन आमी हो स्टेडियम घेतला ऑन लीज आनी आमी हांगा ही एकेडमी चलयतात. आनी ती आमी भुरगे हांगा यंग टॅलंट आमी तांकां ट्रेनींग दिवन गोवा खेळपाचें आनी नंतर मागीर इंडियेक खेळपाचें असले ट्रेनींग दिवपाची आमची प्रयत्न आसा. आनी ह्या प्रयत्नाक आमच्या बरोबर 5 कोचीस आसा आनी भुरगे फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 6 to 40 हांगा खेळटात, इन्क्लुडींग लेडीज. सो आमकां बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ गोवा टेबल टेनीस एसोसिएशन आमी हो एक हाय परफॉर्मन्स कॅम्प हांगा दवरला आनी ताजो चीफ कोच आसा आर राजेश, हू इज हिमसेल्फ a veteran national champion. He was earlier a sub-junior champion of India, junior champion and top 5 player of India. And he is also representing LIC where he is being employed by them. We are lucky to have him here, to have this camp here to increase the performance of our state players who are being invited here to participate for this camp, supported by UTT, SAG, and it is running from 17th to 29th. So this academy was started in the year 2021 and till today we are running it. It is a non-profit academy where Goa Table Tennis Association has given us this opportunity by providing all the infrastructure, and our major job is to see that the talent here is tapped properly and given the best of training.